Thursday, 31st of July 2025. That was a good day to be my money stat. A combination of three things allowed me to basically save $10,626.03 on that day alone. Here's what was involved. First, this is the day where the 20% student reduction bill, or whatever it's called, was passed through both houses of parliament here in Australia. What this does is cuts 20% off your student debt balance as of the 1st of June. So whatever the student debt balance was at that time, 20% of that figure gets slashed. You can see the ChatGPT summary here. In past videos, I had my trusty Excel documents to sort out everything, but sometimes it's just easier to get AI to do it. My student debt balance of $42,296.55 as at 1st of June will get cut. And after you reapply indexation/interest, my new student debt balance after this cut will now be $34,920.03. My debt has been reduced by $8,730.01. Not bad. Now, if I'm honest, I generally don't agree with this policy. The taxpayer is bailing out the debts of others. Some argue, well, pay off your own debt. Some argue, well, this is beneficial to society. Some argue, well, I pay for hospitals and I don't use them, so this is another case of that, so it's fair. I don't give a shit what your stance is on this, and I won't go into all my thoughts on it either. The only thing that matters at this point in time is that it happened. So $8,730.01 will get wiped from my debt soon. Pretty nifty. Second bit of saving on this particular day, saving money on fencing materials. So at one of my jobs, we're kinda related to some company that sells hardware and whatnot, which includes fencing products. Now, due to my affiliation with the company, I get discounts off some products. So, once again, I had AI summarize it, but all in all, due to my staff discount, I saved $396.02 off of this fencing material. More nifty savings on this particular day. And lastly, third bit of savings for the day, savings on my blinds. So I still haven't gotten blinds in my house. I received a quote a week from this particular day, like the week prior, for $4,000. They said it was initially about $6,500, but I call bullshit. It's like what companies do where they say something costs $100, but they mark it down to $70 and call it a discount, even though their original intention was always to sell it for $70. So anyway, I don't know much about blinds, but I felt that $4,000 figure was a bit much, so I decided to shop around for other small businesses, and the next quote I got was around $3,500, a bit better, but let's see if we can do one more. Got another quote and it was around like $2,800. That's a lot better. But I organized a bit of a sneaky deal with them whereby I pay a lower price and they dodge some taxes. Secret underground dealings. Hell yeah. So not only did I initially get a lower cost compared to my other two quotes, but I also knocked a further $336 off of that amount with a special deal. I knocked off $1,500 from the first quote I got. The first quote I received was 6 days prior to receiving this one. So I only had to be patient for 6 days, shopped around, and bam, saved myself $1,500. That goes a long way with new furniture and shit for my house. Easy money. Shopping around is another income stream. Changed my mind. So that was a big money day for me. The student debt didn't get reduced on this day, but the deal was sealed on this day. The fence didn't get installed on this day, but the materials were paid for on this day. The blinds weren't installed on this day, but the deal was sealed on this day. So just a quick video to show that sometimes some regulatory changes can benefit you financially. Somehow, not paying off debt actually benefited me. Utilizing the discounts I received from one of my jobs saves me some decent coin, a perk I never thought I'd actually use, and simply shopping around and doing some deals with small businesses also helps us both save money. So yeah, a quick video on having $10,000 more in my net worth than I otherwise would have, thanks to a combination of liabilities being slashed and expenses being lowered. Thanks for watching, that is all.